Efficiency is the key word that drives every aspect of our group. Despite the different business lines, we all share a common goal: to create something unique able to meet our customers' needs. This is the engine that fuels our passion and commitment. At the heart of the Monfalcone facility, we have launched an ambitious project. Initially conceived for the production of walls, ceilings, and cabin kits to be assembled on-site, our plant underwent a significant transformation thanks to decisive technological investments made in 2020. With the introduction of 3 new lines: metalworking, semi-automatic assembly, and rock wool cutting, we have enhanced productivity, bringing a wave of benefits to the entire company. But our quest for improvement knows no bounds. In such a dynamic and complex context, every single step must be carefully verified, as only through meticulousness can extraordinary results emerge. Looking to the future, we are preparing to introduce digital controls through SAP and MES, with the aim of further elevating the efficiency and productivity of our facility. Our mission continues to innovate, grow, and exceed expectations.